Getting energy on time without sharing is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to teach you how you guys can get energy on Temu without having to share. So for that we will go to the Temu's application. So I'm just going to search for Temu and I will be at their application now. In order to get this feature you have to not have on you, and then you have to go to the settings currently. As you can see, I can see this option on free gift and cash, but in your case if you're not from USA, you won't be able to say that. So how can we get that? In order to get that you have to go to settings, then you have to go to change region, and then you have to select United States. It should be at the bottom after selecting the United States. As yes can see, I was able to see this option, which is unfree gifts and cash. So I'll go to this feature and there I'll be able to you do some stuff in order to get some energy. So that's pretty much it. That's how you will be able to do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.